In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow for freelancers. Whether you're new to freelancing or an experienced developer looking to enhance your website creation process, Webflow is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of drag-and-drop design with the capability to turn your designs into functional websites. Let's walk through the essential steps to get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Webflow's official site. By typing in webflow.com, you'll reach the homepage where you will notice a dynamic showcase of what this robust platform can do. It's an intuitive, visual way to build custom websites without needing deep coding knowledge. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually positioned in the upper right corner, inviting you to access your account. Click there if you already have an account. If not, you may want to take a moment to sign up. Existing users can directly log in by entering their email and password on the login page. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is the command center for all your Webflow projects. Take a couple of moments to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll manage all your current and upcoming site builds. In the dashboard, you'll see a list of your projects. Choose a project you want to work on by clicking directly on it. Doing so will open up the project interface, where all the design magic happens. Once you're inside a project, head over to the left side of the screen to find the Navigator panel. Clicking on the Navigator will give you a structured view of all the elements you have on your page, making it easier to move components around or find specific sections in your design. Next, you'll want to adjust the styles of your elements to fine-tune the aesthetics of your site. This is done by clicking on the Style panel, located next to Navigator. The Style panel provides you with extensive options for customizing fonts, colors, spacing, and more, allowing you to let your creativity flow as you craft each pixel to perfection. As you proceed, you will likely want to incorporate various visual elements. Click on the Assets panel, where you'll be able to upload images, videos, or files you want to use on your site. This is where Webflow's convenience shines, as you can manage your site's multimedia components seamlessly. And there you have it, a brief walkthrough of using Webflow for freelancers. By mastering these foundational steps, you set the stage for creating visually stunning and fully functional websites for your clients. Explore its features, experiment with design options, and harness Webflow's capabilities to elevate your freelance projects to a professional level. Happy designing!